Lie down on your stomach. Put your hands beside your ears. Make sure that your hands should be beside your ears only. Raise your trunk and head supported by the palms. Bend your arms at the elbows. Arch your neck and look upward gently. Make sure that your stomach is placed on the floor. Put pressure on your toes by pressing them onto the floor. Do this for 3 or 4 times and then again come back to your normal position. This yoga helps to digest our food. For Gomukhasana, sit with crossing the 2 legs one upon another. Lift the left arm out to the left side. Bring the left arm to the center of the back. Clasp hands behind your back. Draw both elbows towards the center of the back. And now, turn your head to the left corner of your room. Breathe evenly. Don't stop breathing. Take long breaths. And then again come into a normal position. For doing Ardha Mukha Savasana, kneel on the floor, keeping hip width distance between your knees. Place hands into the ground and curl the toes, exhale, and gently lift the hips, taking the knees away from the floor, face downwards. Straighten both the elbows and knees, heels touching the floor, ears touching the inner arms. Look at the navel. Take deep breaths. Remain in this position as long as you feel comfortable and then again come back to your normal position. Lie down flat in Savasana or sit in Vajrasana. Gently stand on the knees. Lean in forward direction. Place the hands flat on the floor with palms down and fingers facing towards the forward direction. Keep the hands in the line with the knees and keep the arms and thighs perpendicular to the floor and come back in normal position. Stand straight with your arms on your side and spread your legs wide apart. Now gently stretch your hands. Turn your left feet out to bring your right feet in an inward 45-degree angle. And now turn your head towards your left side. Do not twist your body and make sure that your knee doesn't cross over the toe. Bring your arms parallel to the floor and repeat it for the other side, and then again come back to your normal position. Stand straight. Raise your arms up, keeping the palms closer in the Anjali Mudra. Raise your right leg up and place it on your left thigh, similar to the leg position in Ardha Padmasana. Inhale and exhale normally and again come back to your normal position. Repeat this for the opposite side also. It helps to keep your body fit and fine. Lie on your back. Raise both the legs upward straight. and then try to touch the ground just behind. Breathe slowly and hold the posture for several minutes. Now, slowly release the pose and return to Savasana.